loads of different colleges, and it happened that only this college was running the actual course. So I think it's the first or second time this course has ever been run. But it's really cool. Like, obviously it's new to everyone, so it's starting to get kicked off, but like looking at how the course is being run and looking at everything in the guide, it looks like it's going to be the new best, like, next thing. Like, I think the most recent renewable course apart from that has been the Heat Geek course, but even that isn't really recognised as a proper qualification, so it'd be really cool to see like this come alive and everyone that's involved and become a heating engineer from that. Of course, we started with health and safety, and then we've gone on to air source heat pumps, ground source heat pumps, and water source heat pumps. We're also doing solar energy, and that's solar thermals. That'd be like water to solar. There's loads. There's absolutely everything low carbon you can think of. So you don't really focus on boilers and gas. You're definitely focusing more on heat pumps and solar. Obviously, we're at work 4 days a week, so my hours, I think it's different for everyone, but my personal hours are 8 till 6. So you'll be on site all day, and you'll be doing your learning on site as well as, you know, everything practical based around that. And then, you know, when we come into college, we sort of put that into words basically, and you do your theory based there. However, obviously we've got the workshop, so we're still like looking at heat pumps, and you can still like associate those to real life situations, which is really cool. But it's just like, it's like all our coursework and stuff is considered off the job, so you just write about, you know, how it's going and like what you've learned in that day, and yeah, all good.